Revenge saving. How to turn financial stress into saving power. Have you ever opened your bank app and instantly felt that sinking feeling? The regret of overspending, the pressure of bills, the guilt that whispers, "Why can't I control my money?" But here's the secret. That same stress you feel can become your greatest weapon. This is called revenge saving, and it can help you flip financial stress into financial strength. So, what exactly is revenge saving? Imagine this. You splurge on something expensive, maybe clothes, gadgets, or an unplanned trip. The next day, regret hits. Most people let that regret drag them down, but some people flip the script. Instead of being crushed by guilt, they use that emotion as energy to save harder, smarter, and faster. It's the opposite of revenge shopping. Instead of spending to feel better, you save to take back control. And right now, with rising prices, debt stress, and financial uncertainty across America, this mindset is more powerful than ever. Why does revenge saving work? Because emotion is energy, stress, regret, guilt. If you let them control you, they'll break you. But if you redirect them, they can build you. That moment of guilt after overspending is a perfect trigger to start a new habit. Instead of saying, "I failed," you say, "I fight back." Now let's turn this idea into action. Here are 5 powerful revenge-saving strategies you can start today. Step 1. The 24-hour rule. Whenever you feel the urge to buy something non-essential, wait 24 hours. If you still want it tomorrow, fine. But most times, you won't. Instead, transfer that money into savings. Step 2. Automatic revenge saving. Each time you feel regret for a past expense, move $20, $50, or even $100 into a savings account. Let your regret pay your future self. Step 3. The debt snowball flip. Take that emotional energy and knock out your smallest debt first. Every win builds momentum, and momentum creates motivation. Step 4. Micro habits of money. Pack lunch once a week, skip one Starbucks run, save spare change in a jar. Tiny habits create huge impact. $5 a day is $150 a month. That's $1,800 a year. Imagine what $1,800 could do for you. Step 5. Track your progress. Nothing feels better than watching your savings grow. Use an app or notebook. Every dollar you save is a victory, proof that you're in control. Saving money isn't punishment, it's power. Every dollar you save is a vote for your freedom. Every sacrifice today is an investment in tomorrow. Think about someone starting with just $200 a month. That's $2,400 a year. In 4 years, that's nearly $10,000. That's peace of mind. That's opportunity. That's freedom. Remember, money doesn't just buy things. Money buys time, choices, and freedom. So the next time financial stress tries to crush you, flip it. Let that stress fuel your discipline. Let that regret become your motivation. Because you are stronger than your excuses. You are bigger than your bills. And your future is worth fighting for. If you're ready to rise above financial stress, subscribe to InnerFire Focus for daily motivation on money, mindset, and success. Together, let's turn passion into power and stress into savings.